Welcome to What's Printing. I've got 4 new spools loaded up in the AMS. Specifically, you can see the second spool has my custom printed PETG home printed spool. I want to try that out for the first time, so I think I'll just print a Benchy in that orange color. So if we come down here, we can see everything loaded successfully. So we can go in here and go to Files. You can go find, it should be under Demo, not Cache. Go find the Benchy. With that, all those look good. We're going to change our color to the orange. And everything looks good. We'll hit print. And with that, here in about 22 minutes, we should have an orange Benchy. And that's What's Printing. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.